A homeowner in Martinsville, New Jersey, located in Somerset County, called Blue Umbrella to fix their basement water issue. Water was seeping into the basement during rainstorms, causing water damage to anything touching the floor of the basement. After a thorough inspection, Blue Umbrella created a customized basement waterproofing plan, which included the installation of an interior French drain, as well as 2 separate sump basins equipped with high-capacity sump pumps. The waterproofing system captured any entering water, channeled it to the sump pumps, which then safely removed the water and transported it out and away from the home through an exterior drainage system, ensuring that the basement floor stayed dry and that no more water damage occurred. If you are dealing with basement water, crawl space problems, or foundation issues, give us a call. Don't get blue, get Blue Umbrella.